نضيء بنورنا الدنيا وننشر في الفضاء أملا ونعلي عزم همتنا فمن طلب العلا وصل.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. My dear friends, look at this small device in my hand. What is this? Yes, the mobile phone. It's a very useful invention. We can talk to our parents, teachers, and relatives. We can get information, technology, and education. We can use it for business, banking, studying, and communication. So yes, it's a very useful invention. But if we do not use carefully, this same mobile phone become very dangerous for us. I'm going to tell you 10 harms for mobile phone. Number 1, waste for precious time. Many students waste hours scrolling reels, social media. Time is life and we are throwing it away. Number 2, weak concentration. Too much mobile destroys focus. We cannot study properly. We cannot think properly. Number 3, addiction problem. People became slaves of mobile. If phone is not in their hands, they feel empty and restless. Number 4, damage to eyes. Long screen use harms eyesight, causes pain and weak vision. Number 5, text, neck and body pain. Long screen use, always looking at down the phone damages neck, backbone and posture. Number 6, sleep problems. Late night phone use destroys sleep. Students sleep late and wake up tired and cannot study. Number 7, mental stress and anxiety. Notifications, games and social media. All these create depression, tension and anxiety. Number 8, weakening of memory. Too much phone use reduce thinking ability and power of memory. Number 9, bad habits and wrong content. If misused, mobile takes students through wrong videos and wrong websites and scenes. Number 10, distance from parents, teachers and Allah. Instead to talking to parents, respecting teachers and remembering Allah, students only talk to their phones. My dear brothers, mobile is not evil. Wrong use of mobile is evil. Use it only when needed. Use it with discipline. Use it with purpose. Use it for knowledge, deen, education and benefit. And remember, if a student can avoid mobile completely, then that's the best and safest option. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.